Notes can be taken in various ways, and for that we have templates to manage those different kind of notes. So I'm simply going to go over here, add the new tab as template, and over here I'm going to use a template. So for that, I'm going to go into the insert menu right here, and over here you'll be able to see paste template. So let me just go over here, and the paste template actually appears. Let me just click on that, and once I click on that, you can see that there are different templates available for me to use. For example, there's academic template where there's simple lecture notes right here. You can see that the notes is there. So there's the title, homework, today's topics, and most important fact covered. Detailed lecture notes right here with title, homework, today's topics, important points, lecture topic, and even summary. There's lecture notes and study questions. So different type of lecture notes right there, and you can simply start typing away. There's also blank templates like A3 size paper, there's index card, and there's background with red, and so forth. So you can also go for blank templates right here, or you can go for business template like a meeting notes. So there's informal meeting notes, there's detailed meeting notes, and so forth. So everything is there. There's also decorative templates right here like Blue Whale template, there's like binocular template, and so forth, as you can see. So cool things to work out with if you're a creative person. There's also simple to-do list templates like so forth, prioritizing templates, and so forth. So you can easily use these to organize your notes and simply replace the content right here to get your note taking started for different scenarios. So that is how you can use templates inside of Microsoft OneNote. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.